Hey, what's going on, everybody? So listen, my name is Yusef Scott. You guys should already know I'm the Forex GOAT. You guys see this right here? It's the reason why we have this. I'm the Forex GOAT. Alright, now just to let you guys know, many of you are coming from far and far away. A lot of you are brand new to Forex. Maybe you're a seasoned vet in the game. You're watching this video. Maybe you're one who's up and down with all your trades. Regardless, you're here watching this video for a reason, and I thank you for being here. Now, if for some reason you're watching this video and you're not connected with me on Facebook, Instagram, social media, get connected with me there, because I put video content out there as well, but helpful tips out there each and every week. Now, if you're not subscribed to this channel, actually do that now, because you want to make sure that you receive content just like this. Wisdom I want to impart on you today, you want to make sure you receive it at the drop of a dime, alright? Now, this video today is going to be about, I really want to tell you guys a couple things that I believe will probably help you in the Forex market, okay? People find me from all across the world because I put content everywhere, and I've had huge success in the Forex market. But there's always a reason why things happen the way that they happen, okay? People that always ask me, how did you become successful in trading Forex? How is it that you continue to win in trading Forex? Where do you see yourself in the next 5-10 years in this Forex game? A lot of people, they have this misconception that the reason why I continue to win is because I have a large trading account. That's so far from the truth. I always give my students the example that I could take two people, one with a $5,000 account and one with a $500,000 account, and I could have them both trade on a certain pair, get in at the same level. They both trade at the volume they should be trading at with the based on their account size. And if the person with the larger account decides to do some things that he or she isn't supposed to do, he will lose his or her money. But if they both took the same trade, followed my instructions, got in where they were supposed to get in, got out where they were supposed to get out, while one will make more than the other based on his or her account size, they will be equally successful based on the trade itself. But if you have someone who trades on a Forex market, he has a large account, he or she has a large account, and they choose to do things that are not supposed to be done in the market, they're just doing things at random, then he or she can lose their money, that $500,000, just as fast as someone, with a smaller account, trading at the volume that should be traded based on their account size. Alright? So my theory is, if this is just based on those who say that, well, your account size is larger, so you should be able to make more money, or your account size is larger, so that's how you continue to win. But if I was out here trading, at random, not making wise choices, not looking at where I'm getting in, then yes, I would lose that account size. Okay? So I really want you guys to know that the reason why I remain successful in the Forex market is how I look at the market. Okay, my perspective on the market. Okay, you can't look at the market and you can't look at the market and say to yourself, well, I'm going to trade long. Oh man, this current hour the market is moving down, so let me jump out. Of course it depends on the type of trader you are. If you're a long-term trader, and this is where most of you find me because of my long-term ability, I'm gonna stick to what it is that I believe in. All right, my perspective is that based on everything that I see that this market is telling me, I see that this market is going up, and I'm not going to allow anything that's happening in the moment to change my perspective on the market. my perspective on the market will remain the same, because I'm looking at certain things. And while certain parameters are in motion, they've been reached, then I'm going to remain keeping this perspective alive. All right, so that's why a lot of you guys see me. I trade on a market and I let trades run for days, weeks, and months at a time. That's why, because I'm looking at a certain thing. I'm looking at the market in a certain way, and I'm not easily yoked around. I'm not one who's wavering just because someone blew a certain way. I mean, the market makers, those people with the long money, they can push the market around. They can weather, all of the storms of the market. So folks like us, we have to learn to ride the coattails, okay? And that's what I do. Whether an account size of 20,000, 50,000, 75,000, 100,000, or 500, you still have to follow the certain discipline. And if the discipline starts with how you perceive the market, your perspective on the market, then that's what you need to focus on. And once you change your perspective, as most people tell me, man, I watch your videos, bruh, and man, I had that aha moment. You're gonna have that. All right, so I just thought that you guys would, should hear that, and know, how is it that I'm able to be successful, and why I'm going to continue to be successful in the market. It's that simple, But of course, first you got to believe in it. You can't just speak it, and it can't have any type of. You got to speak it and believe it, So listen, I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in to this video. I'm not gonna make it any longer. I want to put out some more content. I want to give you guys a little analysis on a couple pairs, show you guys how to trade a well-known pair that I've talked about recently. I'm going to give you guys that in my next video. Definitely appreciate you guys tuning in. You guys have a fantastic day. Remember, if you're not yet connected with me on Facebook, Instagram, do a Google search for my handle, sodarneasyforex. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you get subscribed. Definitely appreciate you guys tuning in from all across the world. My name is Yusef Scott. I'm the Forex GOAT, the one and only. You guys have a blessed day. Peace.